Go get Jude. What's Jude doing? You gonna give Zoe kisses? Well, she's over here. Come and give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Oh, a mouth-to-mouth kiss. Can you give her hugs now? Oh, it's so nice. Can you give a hug though? Where's her nose? Get her. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it's so nice. Can you do Itsy Bitsy Spider? Itsy Bitsy Spider climbed up the water spout. Can you play peekaboo? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh my goodness, that's a lot of love. Oh, we're playing so nice today. Oh, you're gonna give me a kiss? Okay. Oh, thank you. Thanks for kisses. Uh-oh. Thank you. No, go get Zoe. What's Zoe doing? She's on your farm. What's the sheep say? Bah. What's the sheep say? Bah. What's the kitty cat say? What's the kitty cat say, Jude? What's the kitty cat say? Meow.